Hello, I am Professor Ashish Daseb Shinde, working as an assistant professor in NB Navle Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. I have total 12 years experience. Now today we are going to study regarding to the applications of operational amplifier. According to the definition of operational amplifier, operation amplifier can perform the different operations such as addition, subtraction, integration, as a differentiator, as a comparison, as an instrumentation amplifier. These are the different applications of operational amplifier. Now today we are going to discuss the different applications. First one, we are going to study the voltage follower. After that, op-amp as the adder. After that, op-amp as a subtractor, operation amplifier as an integrator, and operational amplifier as a differentiator. According to the definitions of the operation amplifier, it will perform these different mathematical operations. Also, these are some different applications. Current to voltage converter. After that, voltage to current converter with floating and grounded load, and instrumentation amplifier. These are the contents. I will repeat: voltage follower, adder circuit, subtractor, integrator, differentiator, operational amplifier as a current to voltage converter, voltage to current converter, and instrumentation amplifier. These are the different applications. Now first we are going to discuss voltage follower. As its name, as its name, it can follow the voltage, so name as the voltage follower. See in a diagram, symbol of the op-amp, voltage applied at non-inverting terminal, Vin, it is applied. AC power supply applied at non-inverting terminal, input resistance is a 0, and feedback it is directly connected to the inverting terminal, means there is a connection exist in between pin number 2 and pin number 6. Output it is back to the input. See here, voltage follower is the special case of the non-inverting amplifier. It is observed in non-inverting amplifier, in which feedback gain it is a unity. Here feedback gain it is a unity, it is 1. The voltage follower is also called as non-inverting buffer. It is also called as the non-inverting buffer. As shown in above figure, R1 and RF are short circuited, Due to this, whatever the voltage applied at non-inverting terminal will appear at the output. Due to the short circuited, whatever the voltage applied at non-inverting terminal will appear at the output, so you will get V0 is equal to V. For the voltage follower, these are the parameters for the voltage follower. See here, feedback gain, it is a unity. RIF, input resistance with feedback, is equal to Rin dot A, output resistance with feedback, is equal to R0 upon A. Bandwidth with feedback, it is a F0 dot A, and VOT is equal to plus minus Vsat upon A. These are required while solving the problems based on the voltage follower. Voltage follower, it is a simple concept, simple application of non-inverting amplifier. Yes, once again see in a diagram. Feedback resistor REF and RE, these are the short circuited, means its value is 0. Due to this, whatever the voltage applied at the non-inverting terminal will appear at the output. So we say that V0 is equal to V. That is, whatever the output voltage you will get, it is equivalent to the applied voltage. Output will follow the input, so name as the voltage follower. Here remember these parameters, these are required while solving the numericals problem based on the voltage follower. Now see the numerical problem based on the voltage follower or non-inverting buffer. The IC741 op-amp having the following parameters, and it is connected as voltage follower or non-inverting buffer. In a numerical, it is mentioned either voltage follower or non-inverting buffer. You can identify the problem is based on either voltage follower, non-inverting amplifier, or inverting amplifier with feedback. Yes, what is the given? See here, gain A is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5. Ri, input resistance, is equal to 2 mega ohm. R0, output resistance, is equal to 75 ohm. F0 is equal to 5 Hz. V is equal to plus minus 15 volt supply. Vsat is equal to plus minus 13 volt output voltage swing. You have to find out. Here we have to find out these parameters. Already we have the formula for each one. AF, feedback gain, RIF, ROF, FF, and VOT. Yes, just you have to put the values. For the voltage follower, AF is equal to unity. Feedback gain, it is a unity 1. Second, RIF, input resistance with feedback is equal to Ri into A. Here Ri is 2 into 10 raised to 6 into A, 2 into 10 raised to 5. You do the simple mathematics, you will get RIF is equal to 400 gigaohm. In the same way, find out output resistance with feedback, bandwidth with feedback, and last one VOT. Here just you have to put the values and you will get the all the parameters. Just based on the voltage follower, numericals may be asked in a exam. So remember all these parameters for the voltage follower. Thank you.